What's going on, YouTube? You know what it is. It's your boy Easy Tech Joe, right back here with another video, man. We got sent this light from KLARUS, the KLARUS X2. They sent this to us a little while ago, and we're trying it out. And hey, it better not be trash, right? Let's get into it. All right, man. So this is the KLARUS X2, the KLARUS FlatTac X2. All right. It is an EDC flashlight. It's kind of a cross between EDC and a tactical flashlight. Working in the field that I am, mechanic field. If you're here from any other outside niche, from some EDC niche, I am a diesel slash mobile automotive mechanic, and so we are all about our lights. Can never have too many lights here, and we very much covet the O-Light. All right, this is the Pro O-Light, and right now, as you can see already, the KLARUS X2, had to make sure I was saying that right. The KLARUS X2 is definitely a shorter, all right, definitely shorter in length. All right, it's about the same in width, and the actual size this way as well. The KLARUS is a more slim factor because the O-Light has this kind of sphere right here, and so this does make a better angle for fitting in tighter spaces, for fitting in your pocket more comfortably than this O-Light Arc Pro Ultra. Okay, now granted, both lights, especially this is my favorite light, and they do have different versions of this light as well, which is actually shorter, probably the same size as this. But this is what we are comparing today. And I had to bring this out because I'm a mechanic and we're all about our lights. And so I had to show you this light compared to another one of our favorites, okay? But to get on with the KLARUS X2, it is a pretty good light so far. Just a few features though. It does go up to 3,000 lumens, okay? Yes, 3,000 lumens, but that's only on turbo mode, okay? So you hold this red button down, and that's how you get to that 3,000 lumens. And that 3,000 lumens also, hold it down again, that 3,000 lumens also is only for 15 seconds. So you see there it says turbo is counting down from 15 all the way to 0. And once you get to 0, the light dims down like it just did to 200 lumens, okay? So that 3,000 lumens is only a 15-second increment, and then it dims down to 200 lumens, more than likely so that it won't drain that battery and kill your battery life, right? So, I mean, it's pretty decent, right? You hit that light again, hit that red button again, and it goes into the strobe mode, okay? So that turbo is only going to be for situational purposes. You're not going to be able to use that continuously, okay? Other than that, you press this button down right here. I do like the form fitting of this sleek design right here. It is sleek, kind of a matte finish. I do like this because it's kind of forcing you to work, to kind of have it in your hand at this angle to where you're pressing the buttons this way. So I'm used to having my light like this, right? Hitting the knob like this light right here. You have to switch in the knob to turn with different modes, right? This right here, I can't do this, right? I'm not like this right here with a knob. It's this way, bada boom, a one button function. All right, you just cycle through mode. So the moonlight mode, which is the bottom mode, is 15 lumens. I like this screen right here too. It's just flat out telling you what mode you're on, and that's pretty cool. So where we at? Here we go. So you cut it on 65 lumens, and it just cycles 15 lumens. 1,200 lumens. Now, 1,200 lumens is the high mode, okay? Not turbo mode, high mode. That's the one directly under the turbo, okay? Then you have 300 lumens, which is, I think, the medium mode, right? So it cycles through the different modes with a one-button function. Then you just hold that black button down, and then it cuts off. And then it has a lock mode as well with this red button right here. You double tap this red button, and then it locks, all right? And now you can no longer actually accidentally cut this light on. You literally have to hold this light, and it only gives you 15 lumens, okay? Once you let it go, it's cut off again. So with it on lock, you cannot actually accidentally cut this light on. If you got it in your pocket or maybe in your duffel bag, maybe you're traveling, you got it in your bag for now, so that's pretty cool as well. Double tap that again, and now it is unlocked. Okay. So one thing that I probably don't like about this light is that it doesn't have a spotlight. I am very much used to a spotlight. This is why I said this is very much is a use for like a tactical type of light. Because when you have a spotlight is for what? Inspections. Maybe you're looking at a specific item. Those are for inspection purposes, but this doesn't have that. So this is more definitely on the tactical side, but you can definitely use this in our field as well. As a mechanic, it's cheap. Like, it's not cheap, but it's affordable according to, compared to other lights in this genre. And I'll have this link down below into the description. You can check it out for yourselves. Okay. So I like this light, man. The slim factor, the short factor, it fits in my pocket more comfortably than most other lights that I've used. Is it my favorite light? No. Is it a good value for the price? Yes, it is. Okay. If you're into the tactical type of lights. Now, if you need an inspection light, if you need that spotlight, then this is probably not the light for you. Okay. It's just not. But let's take it outside and we'll see exactly what it looks like in the night. Let's see what we got out here. Right now we're at the moonlight mode. That is the 1200 lumen mode. And you see that is hella bright, man. 1200 lumens. Then we have the 1300 lumens bright mode. That really is insane. 1200, 3000. Cycle back again through the cycles. Then we have the strobe mode. Pretty cool, man. So as you guys can see, man, there's not too many bells and whistles. It is a flashlight, 3000 lumens on turbo mode, 1200 lumens on high mode, 15 lumens being the lowest mode, what they call moonlight. So let me know what you guys think about this KLARUS X2. I think for what it is, it's a pretty decent light, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. You know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe. All that stuff that YouTubers like to say at the end of their videos. You know what it is. Be easy.